Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Monday again. Well, a lot of people are panicking. Honestly, I don't understand why, but actually, I know why they are panicking, but I don't understand the ideas behind the market. It's just a proper retest and it's not over yet. We can push lower. Anyway, good morning, Ivan. Good morning, BJ, Christian, Bova, and everyone else. Morning, Hania. Morning, Stefan. I hope Stefan is here in the morning. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin on weekly chart. I think that's the best approach to have Monday morning to see how the weekly candle closed and what is possible to happen next. Okay, so I'll start with this chart, people. This chart is telling a nice story here. We can have a top. I'm not calling tops yet. I don't have not even a 3-bar fractal here. So I need a 3-bar fractal to even think about a local top. But thinking just fib levels. If you take the last swing low on daily chart, which is 50k, and the swing high, the all-time high here at 108, the pump chaser zone is 86 80k, which is possible. You can see we don't have anything here. It's empty. And then a proper 61.8 Wyckoff check of the all-time high. It's a 74k. Untested levels, where the market usually goes back to retest, and people are saying, well, it's not possible. Well, we'll go straight to the moon. I was really bullish last week, and I'm still bullish on a higher time frame, but you can see the market does what market does. We cannot control that. Yeah. In the morning, I got all the stop losses hit on my trades. Some of them in profit, some of them at break even. 1 or 2 clear stop loss. That's trading. You cannot be right 100% of the time. And I never said, well, I'm right 100% of the time. But I still think 2025 is maximizing the profit year. Not to call buy the dip. If you get a really good dip, a hack or something, well, you should buy it. If you trust the project, of course. So, people panicking here, I don't think that's healthy. If they are panicking at 98, 100k, what will do at 85? What will happen at 69, 72, where it's just a proper retest? I just don't get it. Prepare yourself, people, because the market could push to 84, 86 pretty easily, even at retesting 72, and then pushing higher again. For the moment, we are still in the range here. We are still fighting 100k. Let's put the other template. Okay? So we have a range here. We are fighting this level, 100k, without any questions. To get a retracement in a strong bull market, you need some FUD. And they give us some FUD. Now it's a different kind of FUD. Market will react and will reset. Yeah. Bitcoin and crypto will react first. Yeah, it was overnight. Market is closed. The only thing you can sell and you can panic on is Bitcoin and crypto. Let's wait for the stock market to open and let's see what we can get. Yeah. Now it's DeepSeek. They created something better with a lot less resources. Well, that's fucking evolution. What do you think? GDP will be the only AI and the best one? That's it's a correction, but overall nothing changed. So for me, it's still a range here, people. Still a range. Let's go back on the other template here. Yeah? So 88, easy peasy. 74. 75, 74, 69, possible. Not probable, but possible here. So prepare yourself if you, people, You are not playing this game correctly if you'll get liquidated if the market will hit 75 or even 69. You should not be on futures if you don't know how to play. If you are on spot, you know how they say, cozy on spot. You are 50% lower your portfolio, 70%, but you are on spot. Nobody will take your coins. If you are patient enough, you'll make money. But with leverage to try to place on swing trades, I don't recommend it. Anyway, it's up to you. I had a discussion with someone, I think Friday or something like that, and I don't agree with leverage position. Hold on too long. Yeah, you can do it if you have a big account and you don't have a liquidation price. If you don't have a liquidation price, okay. It's like you are playing on spot. But if you have a liquidation price, not a good idea. If you cannot sleep at night because of your investments, something is off. Something is not okay. Either you are overexposed, either you don't know what you're doing, either you are too emotional. Either way, you should change something. You should make a plan. You should lower your exposure. You should resolve the problem, because worrying about the market day in, day out could destroy you. Simple as that. Now, let's go back on what we have on the chart. So, Bitcoin still in a range for the moment. Nothing changed. You can see we can go 90k, retest this week low and still be in the range. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is holding. Well, I love to see that it's still holding this area. It's still holding above 3,000. Even if we'll come back here at 2,800 and retest this weekly W properly, I'm not bearish on Ethereum here. No? I don't consider Ethereum bearish here if we'll retest this W. So, yeah, could correct a bit more. It's a nice way to retest a weekly, monthly W here. Then wait for the next W and we can push higher. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We are still at the 78.6. And I still think, I know a lot of people will go lower. Maybe will go lower. But I still think this is close to a bottom. And we should watch for a bottom here. Will take time, will not happen until tomorrow, that's for sure. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance on weekly. Okay, it's pushing, trying to test 60% again. We need a new EM on daily and 4-hour chart to even think about altcoins. Altcoins are going lower, which for me, honestly, it still looks like a gift for people. People don't understand. People seeing the altcoins going down, down, down. Well, this time is different. A stupid guy like me will come and say, well, I think it's a buying opportunity. Some people buy a little bit or buy a lot and then the market is pushing lower. Well, you see, I was right. They all go to zero. And they'll sell. And they'll sell the bottom or close to the bottom. And in 2 months, the bottom will form and market will push to the all-time highs. And then they'll come back to ask us where to buy the shitcoins they sold at the bottom. It's not a correct way to play this game, people. So, here, 60% is like a magnet. We can push higher? Yeah. I think we'll push higher for the moment now. I want to see the market closing daily, weekly chart above 60%. Okay? 60, 61. If we'll close and we'll take these highs, then we know, well, it still will push higher. For the moment, it's an ugly range, 55 to 61. Ugly range. And the higher we push, 60% here, it's pay attention time for me. Okay. Total 3. Still here, still fighting $1 trillion. Total 1, still fighting above 3 trillion in a nice range here. So nothing changed from last couple of weeks. Overall, not too many things changed. Just a bit of FUD. Everyone is panicking. That could trigger a chain reaction. I don't know if it's enough. A lot of things need to happen to trigger a chain reaction. Remember, Sailor Moon is still buying at the top here. But it's the only one. That's the problem. Nobody likes to buy Bitcoin above 100K. Trust me. Not the banks, not the big money, not the smart money. They don't want to buy tops. And they don't want to buy above 100K. So what they'll do, if they have enough power, they'll drag the price down, load the boats, and then will let it push above. Because they are stronger. They have the power to move the market. If you'll have the power to move the market up and down and drag the price, I don't know, at 74 or 80K, you'll do it? Just to load more? I think you will. Okay. Now, that's the overview, people. That's the overview. Nothing else, nothing changed from last night. What changed? I'll tell you what changed and what is looking differently now. Let's put the monthly chart. It's not looking as bullish as was last night. And if this candle will close red, well, then we have a problem. And still have, I don't know, 5 days, 4 days. If this candle will close red, it's not the best thing ever. You know what I mean here. But let's wait for the monthly close. Let's wait to see what will happen. Who knows? It's still early to call a red candle here. Okay, now you have my list here with all the shitcoins. Let's see the one shitcoin that dumped the most. Mavia, Portal Bake, XI. Okay, let's take a look at one of them on weekly chart. Let's see. The weakest one. Well, look at it. Mavia is pushing lower and lower. Will go to zero? I don't think so. I still have a bag and I'll keep it. Look at Portal. Testing the lows. Market is giving you new lows. Market is giving you good investments levels and you are panicking. Okay. But in the same time, people, you want to make 100x on your investments. Well, if you want to make 100x, you have to fucking buy the bottom. You don't have to buy the top. This time is different and will go to zero. Well, if you think like that, close everything and go on traditional market. Sorry guys, I'm a bit rough today, but I see people panicking in a $4,000 drop on Bitcoin. Come on. You want to make a lot of money, you have a small portfolio, kind of, I don't know, 5, 10, 50K. You want to make a lot of money, you want to make 50x, 100x, but at the same time, you don't want to buy shitcoins at the bottom. Well, it's kind of impossible. It's like, well, I want to win at Lotto, but I'm not buying Lotto tickets. I'm not talking about the probabilities to win at Lotto and win at crypto. They are different if you have a plan. But you get the idea. Next one. Look at it. 78.6 from the entire range. Every day you hear me about 78.6 shark level, retesting that level, doubling that level, the best level ever with Fibonacci. And look at it. We took the liquidity here on this one, took the liquidity, we tested the 78.6, which is a W, and people are panicking instead of becoming greedy here. Same here, same here. Even this one will touch 78.6 at some point. You can see where I want to buy, not higher. And I told you, don't chase this one. Well, it's in, we'll do that and this guy will do, okay. Buy it if you want, I'll wait here. Lower, lower. Finally, this one will give me a retest of the weekly W. Hopefully I could put a green tag here. That means I have a bag. I have my fill on the weekly W retest. So strong ones are retesting the W. Weak ones are making new lows. When the market is here at the top or here, you are praying, well, if I'll see another dump to load my bags. I was stupid, I didn't bought. When you are here, you are panicking. I don't have a solution for people like that. The only solution we have is planning and putting the limit orders when the market is here for the levels here. I don't care what you think here. Just put the damn level here and wait, like me. Okay, I could go over and over again. Finally, look at dimension. You remember what I said about dimension on daily chart? Let me remind you. Well, I said I want to take the lows here. Yeah? I want to take the lows, swap all the liquidity, and then put a W. Something like this. Well, I just need to move this one here, because I think that will happen. Okay? If we'll push even lower here, well, I don't know. It's possible, but I could see just an SFU taking the liquidity and then making a W and pushing higher. What will be your trigger? The W. So if you see on dimension a W, breakout and retest, that's your trigger that maybe it's enough on dimension and will push higher. Now you understand what I'm saying. Don't chase the new coins. And when I said here in the top on dimension, well, it's new and shiny, but look at this candle. This needs a fucking retest. No. Dimension, you put it at staking and it'll go to the moon, straight to the moon. $100. I say, fuck it. Do whatever you want. I'll wait lower. Learn this game, people. It's not so hard. It's not building rockets. It's not building, I don't know, now going on Mars or something like that. Simple things. It's new and shiny, people FOMOing in and then needs a cleanup. Simple as that. The longer the consolidation, the bigger the pump. Not hard. It's hard to execute, yeah. Because of your emotions. If you didn't have emotions, it was pretty simple. If you put a computer to buy at the bottom, will do that without any emotions. It's not capable of emotions. But if you want to become a skillful trader, well, you need to learn some basic things. So now we have the swap. Let's wait for the W, breakout and retest. Take the breakout or take the retest. It's up to you, and we can kind of catch the bottom on dimension. Possible. You want to catch the bottom? Well, pay attention on dimension. Will retest the all-time high? Probably. I don't know. Okay. Now, I could go on the entire list, but I don't see the point. Now, everything is looking similar. Look at this one. Pump, dump back at the level we desired for our investment. Look at it. Retest of the weekly W. I could go on the entire list. Let's go on lower time frame because it's daily crypto plan. I want to see what I have on lower time frame and maybe frame some trades. Okay, what we have here, we had a range there. We tested the lows. And I already said on premium, if I'll see a reclaim above 99.5, kind of ugly, the wick is a bit too low. 97, 98. I wanted an SFU here. Well, if I could see a W from now on, the SFU it's already gone. It's still playable, but not for me. I don't like it anymore. I just don't like it anymore. Idea is in the London session, in the New York session, if we'll get this level here, this long reload zone, 61.8 or lower, and then a W on 1 hour chart, then it's playable. Okay? I don't want to hear people panic selling here on day trading, on swing trading. Also, you can take the 3-bar fractal if will form here. It's valid. If you'll take a 3-bar fractal here, market could push all the way up here at 104. So you can see this candle. Some aggressive people will say, fuck it, I'll take the level on 50-minute chart. I think you have something. Well, there you go. So I bet a guy like Stefan is long from from somewhere here. I didn't have time to frame a trade there. I had to prepare prepare the live stream and answer to DMs when people are panicking. But you get the idea. I'm not bearish, I'm bullish here. Nice two candles pattern here. This spells a small reversal here. We'll see. Anyway, on 1 hour, let's keep it on 1 hour. I think if we'll close like this and we'll form a 3-bar fractal, that 3-bar fractal bottom could be a long idea here. It's up to you, people. I'm not a financial advisor. I want to say that every fucking time. I'm just a guy that is playing his own money on the market. So yeah, I could see the market pushing back up here, even higher. Dimension, you want to play dimension? Similar, yeah, because we talked about a good level. Then here, 1 hour 3-bar fractal or a W could trigger a trade, yeah, a day trade. It's different from what I said earlier. That it's a higher time frame. This is 1 hour. Ethereum, you can see it's. I had this long, made some money. I had this one, managed to get risk free, and you can see what happened. Hit my stop loss, didn't lose money, okay, but I didn't make money either. So you can see what happened here, all the way down. You think the late shorters will be punished here? I think so. It's too late for an SFU. Look at we closed 1 hour candle below. So wait for a 3-bar fractal bottom there, and it's still playable. But for the moment, I prefer to, for what I have here, okay, I'll clean it up. Nothing I can do on this one, okay? And what we have the dump low, the last dump. And what we should do to frame a proper setup is something like this, people, okay? And like you heard Stefan, I think, I don't know if he posted on VIP only or he posted everywhere. Look at that fucking shark. Just look at it. Yeah? That was a good level to buy. It still is if the market will make a double at 78.6. If not, pay attention on the SFU. Thinking range, people here. I'm not thinking bearish here. I'm thinking range. We are at the bottom of the range. $3,000, big fucking round number. Okay? So, either you can play a general setup here, doubling the long reload zone. Okay, you don't want that. Well, we have the shark for you. I don't want the shark either. Then wait for the SFU. Nothing else we can do here. Just thinking long. Yeah. Rest of altcoins? Well, yesterday I was saying, well, Holy Grail is the best thing ever. Well, it still is. Let's put the Holy Grail again. And let's look at some what happened with my 3 plays from the weekend. I'll start with Pengu. What do you think happened? Huh? I enter here, I drag my stop loss higher and higher, and I got stop loss here. Let's see how much money I made. Well, I made a 4.5. Not bad. Jupiter. This stopped me out. I made -1 hour. I lost money here. Part of the game, people. Part of the game. Tao. Huh? You can see. Tao is pushing higher and higher and higher. I managed to move my stop loss here, not here. So unfortunately, this was my stop loss. Let's see what we did. 7.4. Well, I'm more than happy. A 7.4 will cover for 6-7 stop losses in a row. So I'll take that every day. Here, don't try to long Tao here. Wait for a double. Wait for a double. Yeah. Tao is AI related, you'd know the drill. You saw what happened. Still stronger than the rest for the moment, but for how long, I don't know. So, that's how I make money. I got stop loss hit on Tao, I got stop loss hit on Pengu, I got stop loss hit on Jupiter. Here I made 4R, yeah, 4.5. Here I made 7R. Yeah. 4, 7, 11R, and I lost 1. 10R profit overall in the weekend. Is that profitable? Asking for a friend. It's profitable to book 10R in the weekend? Keep in mind, I'm risking 0.5, 1% from my account on one trade. I made some money. And everyone is complaining, everyone is bearish. Playing setups, simple. Sometimes stop loss will hit me on all 3 of them. I don't have a problem with that. If I'm losing, for example, in a weekend I'm losing 3R, and this weekend I made 10R or 11R, is that profitable? I think so. At the end of the month, when I'll draw the line, well, I'm in profit or I'm not. Simple as that. If I'm not, then I have a problem. Either I'm not respecting, or either my plan is not good enough. And I have something to tweak, something to adapt. If I'm profitable, well, that's good. Let's see if we have anything in the chat. Yeah, Stefan says that we are long from 78.6 with the shark on Ethereum. That's good. Nice. Never completely over. If you take the lows, it's an SFU, it's a power of 3, it's a lot of things. Wait for a W, Rusian. I cannot think it's totally over. You are in a bull market and you are telling me it's completely over? It's normal price action. You are overexposed, you are thinking like that. Or you don't know how the market is working. Simple. Yeah? Simple as that. Now, I don't see any request. We have half an hour. We talked about the market. We did an overview last night in the weekly crypto review. So basically I repeated what I said yesterday. Just the new thing about DeepSeek and everything, it's a reason, people. For the market to dump, you need a reason to FUD. It's real or it's not real, doesn't matter too much. I'll close this live stream with the calendar. Why? Today it's Monday, okay? Tuesday, durable goods. Not a big deal. Wednesday, Fed interest rate decision and Fed conference. Stay the fuck out from the market if you don't know what you're doing. In a Fed week, you should not be trading if you are not a professional, if you don't know exactly what you are doing. If you still you are tempted to remove your stop loss or to move your stop loss against you, don't trade this week. Stay the fuck out. It's not for beginners. Especially Wednesday. Especially Wednesday. Stay the fuck out. Well, my scenario, you want to see the chart now. I was looking at that whiff for too many times, people. Too many fucking times. You think this is a buying opportunity, taking these lows? I think so. I don't think this is the complete chart. I think we have history. On chain we have a lot of lower levels. So watch out for that. To draw the fib. Let's see. Maybe we have, even on MEXC we have... there you go. And I think we have even lower levels. I can see you are in the long reload zone from MEXC exchange, but if you go on Dex Screener and you type with and you find that one, I think we have even lower levels. Actually, we should start from fucking zero. That's a real chart, because when a coin is starting to to pump, will pump from zero line where it was created. Yeah. So you are at 78.6. Wait for a fucking double. You are more than okay. What is the ugliest scenario? Well, the ugliest scenario is to retest this weekly W, which means 50% off from this level. Yeah, but panicking for what? In the long reload zone at 78.6. If you don't like it, don't play this one. But if you are already long and you are underwater, you know, nothing you can do. You just hold on until this one will pump again. That's why I'm saying make a plan. If you had a plan, you'll be okay now. Well, I'm buying here, I'll sell higher, I'll get in a risk-free position, I'll sell half on a double. If you are in a risk-free position at $1, so be it. You don't care too much. You'll be tempted to buy if you'll touch 50 cents. But if you bought this motherfucker shitcoin at $3, $4 with a lot of money, then you have a problem. Yeah? If you bought with money you cannot afford to lose, then you have a real problem. Simple as that, people. BMX, okay. BMX. Well, we have a retest of the weekly W again. Investable, dollar cost average, okay. You want a trade, wait for the next weekly W. Simple as that. Will take some time to form. But it's in the buying area. You can see below 61.8 it's buyable. I know someone asked me in the highs here. Well, you know my answer in the highs. Look at it. Look at the textbook. Stefan, you know this. Candle body highs for trade location. That was the perfect top. Shorting here, stupid. Here you should wait for a W to buy again. Okay, let's take Hania request and that's it. And okay. We discussed this one. If you don't want to be aggressive here, Hania, wait for the next W, but you have the weekly, monthly W retest at this level, which is an important level here. You can see a lot of fighting was taking place. This is power of 3 on higher time frame. This is Stefan playground. On weekly chart, you have the support. We pushed higher. We manipulated below. We stayed here. We made a W. We accepted higher. Now we are retesting. This is a higher time frame, power of 3. Usually, it's a good idea to buy that retest. But because it's weekly, you buy without a stop loss. You invest kind of. You can push lower, yes. If you are buying spot and holding, you don't care. From 7 cents to, I don't know, 14 cents, it's an easy peasy to get sell half on a double, Hania. And it's all you need. All you need to be in a damn good position. The best position possible is when you sell half on a double, you get free coins and money back in your account. That's the best thing you can have. You don't care after that. So yeah, it's looking really nice here. So this was a clear manipulation here. You can see the W's. Breakout, retesting that support level. Now is retesting from above, so this is a strong support. We'll see. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session if you are a premium member. If not, tomorrow the same live stream. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Probably Stefan will do also the day trading with Stefan. Watch out Wednesday. Yeah, we have FOMC, which is damn big. Let's just say that it's a normal price action after Trump inauguration. Trump did in the first week what he said. Everyone was bullish. Now we need a correction. That doesn't mean we are bearish. It's just buy the rumor, sell the news. It's a classic in any market. That doesn't mean we are bearish. That doesn't mean the bull market is over. No. But it's a normal price action. Even thinking uptrend on any time frame. You have a pump and you have a correction, 30%. You have another pump, take the high, then you have a correction, 30%. Just imagine we need some correction. We cannot go straight up like everyone wants. But I'm still damn bullish. It's just me. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Okay, if you want to join Kappa 1 or Kappa 2, last week to join, only 2 places on Kappa 1, people. Only 2 places left. DM me, book the place, and do the payment. That will trigger. Someone else paid yesterday, so technically I should have only 1 place, but some guy managed to piss me off. So I sent him his money back and told him to fuck off. There are people like that, and I don't accept bullshit from anyone. Yeah? I'm not, I don't like that, because you are paying something, you are my master. I don't accept that idea. You are paying something to learn something, and you are here to learn and put the time and effort to become better. Not to, you get the idea. Yeah, so, because was the beginning, before the beginning of the program, I give him the money back, even if you have a no refund policy. I just, fuck off, just leave me alone. So I have still 2 places available. You want to be serious and you want to be consistent and you want to trade like us? Okay, join Kappa 1, but be consistent and behave nicely. Don't be an ass. And I don't think it's the case. There are exceptions, of course, and I'll kick them out. But 99% of the people here are good people, respecting and trying to learn. I appreciate that. Not too active on general chat. That's a complaint I have, because when I'm posting and I'm pretty please repost something, well, I want some reaction. From 1,200 people, I got 10 reaction yesterday. I don't like that. I'll blab away for some time, and if I don't see reaction, I'll change something. Sorry. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. Keep in mind, it's Monday, so we should let the market form the range. Yeah, I showed you some levels on Bitcoin. I showed you some levels on Ethereum. It's up to you, people. You can see here on, it's trying to form something. Okay, people, don't panic. Please don't panic. But in the same time, keep in mind, we can retest pump chaser zone and even long reload zone. Okay, that being said, see you next time. Bye bye.